Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, people, lest we forget, there must be justice for Donna Lee Donaldson, her family, and all other missing victims. And if you agree, drop a like on the video, and of course, drop your comment in the comment section. Now, Andre Stevens has revealed that the father of the 3 children who died in the fire in Springfield, Westmoreland, his baby mother, the mother of the children, is also a missing victim. This just made the situation even that more tragic and traumatic. The father broke down in tears. Me couldn't hear what I want, will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
The man will lose him children them in the fire. Is one of his good classmates, Adrian Ling. Adrian messaged me from July 26th. From the 26th of July, Adrian messaged me this year. I said, Andre, he might ask me. I'm going to show you the message. From the 29 o'clock, see that him send me a message and me just see it. Me just see it yesterday. I wait.
Judge, nobody knows how I feel justly. The kids are my real star. Kids are my real. Tell you. God. From them, I miss them, man. I just be alone and deal with them. I try my best. I try my best, doesn't make them happy. Everything for them. God. God. When I even get over there, mother. When I get over there, mother. Come and I know what I'm doing. And then, you have the kids there with me. You got me through. And then God. You hurt, man. I tell you, you hurt, man. I don't know what of it. When I have you with them. You hurt, man. I tell you. For me, some people that talk some things that not even listen to them, you know. And they don't know how we got you, man. We could never kill my baby, man. Judge. Could never kill me, pity them. We love them well without end. We have no deal with them, star. Me and them go and stop Sunday. Treat them good. Get them up back. So that they cook with them. Press their clothes. So I can't go to school Monday morning. Judge. I know. I tell them that. You think we did not cry, man? But we can't hold me that. You know, mix me come and last cut he give. Cause last cut he love star. Yo, mash me up, man. Judge, man. Nobody know me, I got through, man. Nobody. So I'm saying, I'm hearing some people that make some talk, man. Yo, Jay, I didn't know, man. I might be a man that Mrs. Star, I tell you. I say, alright. Me have to hold on me ground now, and me have to hold the foot. Because, in my heart, brother, I never think one dull moment takes my dear mother then. Never think that yet. I always say, watch out, one day me I'll see her again. I'm just a kid, you will have safe till she come back. Bro, God knows. I'm trying my best, man. As a single father, I'm trying my best, man. We work. I'm very happy. Mommy, bless up my mother. My mother help me hold him. Star. God knows. Chacha, it hurt me, man. No, me don't stop crying, man. It hurt me, man. Yeah, no, it hurt me, man. I promise myself so much. I will keep you, them happy, I will keep them safe. Until find them, find him and their mother. I know she's not dead, brother. She She just might be in a situation where she can't come out yet. Shaja. So when me some people are come post on loose argument on Facebook, you don't know, brother. You don't know.
Now also making headlines today, a 25-year-old has been charged with unlawful intercourse after breaking a payment agreement after said intercourse. The 25-year-old is from Westmoreland and goes by the name Jorel Burke. He was arrested and charged following the agreement that he did not adhere to. Now it is stated by law enforcement. Burke had agreed to have intercourse with the woman at a specific cost, but arrived at her home and refused to pay her, which is strange within itself, because when I have an agreement, say she gonna give this and you gonna pay her that. And this individual went to this woman's house with no intentions of paying her, but went there anyway. Now she says he insisted that he would not pay, but still wanted what he came for, held her down and had intercourse with her against her will. The woman made a report to the police. Burke was arrested during a police operation at his own home. He was pointed out by the woman and was subsequently charged. Now tell me, nation. People, talk to me. Some are saying that bits and pieces of information seem to be missing. Why this individual would have leave him yard, got this woman house, after them have a certain agreement, not fulfill his part of the agreement, then just leave like normal. I'm going to point out this. Whether or not she did agree for him forward there or whatever the case was, the fact that them did agree upon a certain money or a cost and him refused to pay and did not pay while still having said intercourse, of course, she can then file charges. Some say it sound like a man and woman affair, where him and this woman in some form of dealings, him and her are in quite some time now. This wouldn't be the first time them meet up with each other. And maybe for some reason him got this time and decide say, oh, him just now give her the money where she did ask for. Who knows? Or if you keep in mind, this is a major charge. This might happen on a certain level of frequency. Or people might hear of these stories from time to time in their communities. That does not mean these are not serious charges. Worse if this is not how the story completely go. Of course, you know, when I get him opportunity to tell his side of what really take place. And this is basically she say and then he say. So she was the one who even stated that the intercourse occurred. How will she even prove that? If a man decides to say, yo, no, I'm never go over here, I'm never do it. I haven't seen her in quite some time. Or did the man point out say, should I ask him for $3,000, him go over there, him do what him do, but him could have only give her 2,500. Would that change the narrative? Talk to me. Would that change the narrative if she did want $3,000 Jamaican dollars and him only give her 2,500, 2008, even 2009, and she decides, say, you know what, for whatever reason, she gonna do this. Would this then change the narrative? At the end of the day, though, if him never give her no money, and she was stating that, give me money before you touch me, and him not give her no money, and then touch her, then by all right, I fear her body. And him wrong. Regardless of any previous agreement that they might have had. That is just law. If she said, don't touch me, and him touch her, and if she just say, if you touch me, you have to give me X amount of money, and him never give her the X amount of money either before or after, it's a complicated situation. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, it's a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them, sister, them, brother, them. Check out the channel, check out the reason, and join the discussion. You know the sentiments of those who don't, them, and my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for to live, love, and prosper. And of course, for to stay tuned until we reason again. Still going to the quick recap the father of the three youth who died in the fire in Springfield, Westmoreland, broke down in tears, explained the fact that the mother of the children is also a victim of being missing, and they have still not had any answers on that situation. No, this situation, definitely a tragedy. A man and a woman who entered in an agreement over intercourse are now having the situation dealt with by law. And the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, live, love and prosper. Stay tuned.